Hello there, I'm Jordi from JorDinner and welcome to a new episode. Today we are making biscuit cake. It was my sister's birthday, so I was like, what kind of cake will I make? And it was this one. It is without butter and it's so simple to make, so let's start. In a bowl add 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 eggs, salt and normal granulated sugar. Put the bowl over some hot water and mix it with the hand mixer until it has more than doubled in size and gets a pale color. Feel the mixture with your finger. If it feels a bit warmer than your body heat, it is ready. Sift in the flour to prevent lumps and fold it into the batter. Immediately transfer the batter into a prepared baking tin so the mixture keeps all the air inside. Bake in a 180 degrees Celsius oven for 25 to 30 minutes. Let the cake cool before unmolding and there you go! And that's it. I want to thank you for watching. Enjoy baking and cooking. Make sure you like this video and subscribe to my channel if you want to see more videos of me. And I'll see you in the next one.